Power target trades, power trigger trade. Alright people, I have a special message and update for the BBRY long boards. Before I get into the update, do you know that I've made multiple plans throughout the years through 2016 to now. Up until now, BlackBerry is really, up until this year here in April, you know, BlackBerry has been stuck below $10. So even though we're at 11.18, in theory, it's just begun to move. However, the way we confirm what I'm going to explain will really tell us the big picture of, can BlackBerry become a $20 stock, or will BlackBerry be stuck below $15 a share? So here's let's get into this, people. So BBRY is set up to test $13 to $15, big picture, even 20. I will explain the facts inside. The volume is not that high. However, I will explain a new theory as to why based on this. I will explain the video. That's right, people. So listen up. My theory is that we created a pattern, and these particular high volume bars are finally making up a sum of price pattern with volume. If we add up some of these big bars, we're getting that 100 million I'm talking about. However, this is my theory. If BlackBerry can remain above 20 million during a chop phase, and I believe this stock is going to consolidate and try to bust up right now as it stands, we really need to take out these highs. I'm not making an option plan for this, but if you want to go long, theoretically, you want to go long this, it needs to crack above that. And when it does so, you want at least 2 million on a 10-minute chart. If the stock cannot produce the proper volume when breaking above key pivot points, it will remain a stock that will have false breakouts. Did you know, basically, I stopped following my rule. I actually lost money once on this thing, giving BlackBerry the benefit of doubt. The volume was not correct. And so what is the message I have here, people? What I do, the key is not to figure out what every stock is going to do, but what's in your favor. And I believe BlackBerry can be in someone's favor if it acts correctly. I post a lot of great winning trades. I can make money in so many different stocks. So you're going to want to follow me and study my stream. But here's what I'm saying about BlackBerry. Before I make an option plan for this, I want to see more action, how we act in this range. I believe that this kind of volume was going to require more price patterning. Don't assume that BlackBerry is just going to zoom. The only way it zooms if it continuously has above 15 million volume. If we start getting that as we're breaking this level, yeah, sure, we could fly to 13. But if not, if we do not maintain above 15 million, what we're going to need to do is pattern. And what I suggest that BlackBerry does is maintain at least above 20 million on a daily. If we do while patterning, and then we adjust and we break above this, then we should be testing 13 to 15. Now, a good sign for BlackBerry to hit 20 is for it to get to 13 to the 15 area before the next earnings, which is December the 19th. If BlackBerry is here on the proper volume instructions of what I'm explaining, then BlackBerry can become a $20 stock. But if BlackBerry goes to these levels without the proper volume like this, more volume bars as we get above the critical 1170 area, BlackBerry could be stuck over here. And then, of course, earnings would be the only thing. If there's specifically something powerful with earnings, then they could gap this up, right? Again, looking at, can we make some money as an option trade for this stock? Because this stock has been a deadbeat stock since 2014, 15, 16, and even part of 17. Look at this back over here, right? So we failed over here, right? They brought it right back to about 850, and then the powerful news. This is here, I tell you, is a pivotal point. The key is, do we act correctly or do they fizzle with this game again? And this low volume bar is no good. My opinion, must maintain 20 million daily. Regularly, massively, and still we got a pattern. This stock needs some time to make a pattern. Big picture, if this stock wants higher, you don't want it to go high too quickly. It cannot. Fundamentally, it's not ready. Technically, it needs to develop. If we develop properly technically, you're going to see this stock's going to go higher. If it's not, it's obviously signs of guesswork. I mean, it's up to a person if they want to be in this. I can find many safer investments to get into the BBRY. However, to give this the benefit of a doubt, we can make some great gains of this. These are targets that should be able to be hit before December. But I believe its stock is going to need to consolidate first, pull back, and then zoom. The only way we can break these highs now is to continue with 50 plus million, and we did not get that today. 50 plus million. If not, it will need to base, and I will not, again, big picture, we need to act the right way. The stock's volume is mediocre, and so therefore the stock needs to pattern. I have many other stocks and companies that are going to produce great gains and options that make sense. Technically, what I do is look for what makes sense. Just the BBRY board is a stock that I have covered, and I do like this action, but you must listen to what I explain in the video. Alright people, welcome to Top Power Target Trades, the place where I post a lot of great detailed plans. Listen people, if you're new to my site, I suggest you subscribe. I suggest you study my created playlist and see how many great detailed plans that confirm from start to end making great money. Great money in stocks like BA this year. This one's a great plan that might confirm great gains in BA. You know, BA, multiple 200% winners this year in BA. Detailed posted plans. Also, FedEx, right to here. February 26th. Check out this plan. I posted the plan of FedEx before. I posted the confirmation on my stream. A good 60-70% gains in the options already. Again, a very solid stock, stable stock, high in the air, making, ready to make new highs. Listen, people, if you want to follow powerful analysis skills, you want to follow the stream. Like I said, BBRY has potential, but without the right action now, it can still remain stuck. I will look for more information. We'll post an options plan once I confirm what I am seeing right now. I believe due to the volume, BlackBerry will need to first pull back, which would be very healthy, and pattern higher. If I see if I see a lower price signal, I will mention it, but I'm looking to see more information right now. Big picture, if BlackBerry is going to do the right things, trust me when I tell you BlackBerry is going to be a much higher stock. But if it doesn't, it's going to be one of those stocks that's just going to go nowhere. You know what? I don't really care to miss it, but I don't want to be stuck in what it did already this year by failing miserably as it tried to break out that 1170 area. Okay, that was a big failure, miserably. It did not look good, but now something has changed. I'm being straight out honest about BBRY. Let's see. You can easily subscribe manually, or I'll show you an easy way inside the video. Alright people, now that we just finished watching that great detailed video, don't forget to look at my banner. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you check out my creative playlist. Make sure you study before taking action on Power Target Trades. Every plan that I make has great detailed instructions. And I put my heart and soul in it because I want my subscribers and followers to make great money in the markets. But you have to study, people. Let me show you a way to subscribe. Let's see a picture of me around here in a circle format. Simply click on it, and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Don't forget, people, at the end of the video to like the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video.